What? My puppy wants all the attention, but what it do, boo? Welcome back to another Vlogmas day. I hope you all have been enjoying Vlogmas so far. What's your favorite video? What have you been doing with your family and your friends? Do you have a puppy? Where'd you go? There he goes. So today I am going to try a like semi-viral TikTok recipe. So it's like taco shots or taco shooters, one of the two. So I need to go to the store to get the ingredients, so we're about to go do that all together. Okay, glasses work. So we're about to go get some ingredients, and then we're about to get some ingredients, we're gonna make it, and then Joe is gonna be my taste tester. Y'all, it's 6:30, 6:37, and it is pitch black outside. But I'm about to run into Harris Teeter. I need to watch the girls. I need to watch her, I need to watch her TikTok again and just to make sure I have everything that I need on my list. Yeah, let's see. Hold on. Let's see what she got, because I don't remember. Hey, baby. What you doing? Hello. Hi. You hit the camera. Okay. We're home. We're home. We're home. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all. So I need to feed my baby. I need to feed my little dog. You see, he know not to come in this kitchen. Don't you embarrass me on camera. He know not to come in this kitchen. He know not to come in this kitchen. Oh, the master. Okay. Don't embarrass me, baby. You better not step foot in here. You better not come in here. What's up? What's up? What's up? He eats blue. Is this blue buffalo? Yeah, blue buffalo. Lammy. It's time for the Lammy. I'll eat it. I'll eat it. I'll eat it. I'm watching Kevin. Y'all know Kevin. I'm watching Kevin on live right now. But here is everything. Shh, be quiet, Chris. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. So here's everything. I got some. Joe wanted ground beef. I wanted ground turkey, but what my man wants, my man gets. So I did some ground beef. And then I'm gonna mix it up with some Italian style like sausage or whatever. They had no pico, no pico. So I'm gonna drain out some of the juice from this salsa. Got some cilantro. She did parsley, but I feel like cilantro gives it a little bit more like some chipotle, creamy chipotle ranch. I do brown eggs in this house. I only got a little bit because I think we have some in there, but I just wanted to replenish what I'm taking away. Some flour tortillas. We have like 4 left, but I want to make sure we have enough. This cheese was like 2 for $5, so I got this aged sharp white cheddar cheese. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the queso cheese, because that's what she used. So let's get started. Let me pause right now. So I am like, y'all just let me crack eggs, but the meat is brown, and then I'm like just whisking the eggs to put on the tortilla. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually preheat my oven to 350. We're still talking. Okay, Joe's headed home. What was I saying? Oh, I'm about to cut the tortilla, put all the stuff in, rewatch her video one more time because I kind of forgot, and then we should be good. Okay, so we have 12 of these, and then all of this is for major pepperoni. And then I am going to take the egg wash and like I'm gonna move all of this, and then like I don't have a thingy, a cute little thingy, so I'm just gonna like take the back of the spoon, you know, make it work and do it there. And then I just rewashed this muffin pan, and I'm gonna put them all in here and then get to stuffing. So start off with some tortillas. Go ahead and square it out by cutting off all the sides, just like this. Oil your muffin pan. Go ahead and beat your egg up, and then give it a light egg bath, just like this. Now from there, press the tortillas down. Why does this look red on camera? I promise it's not, y'all. But it might because of the Italian sausage. But I promise it's well done. So I'm gonna finish all of these cups, put pico and shredded queso on it, pop it in the oven, and then hopefully this is good, because So putting the cheese on now. Joe likes the pico stuff, so since it's 12, I did 6 and 6. So his side has the pico, mine just has the queso. So after I put the cheese on the rest of them, I'm gonna pop it in the oven. And yeah, it should be in there for like 20, she said 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna err on the side of caution, just do 20. Because you know, hopefully they're not burnt. Oh, they're taco crisps. Damn. Y'all, why I opened the Chipotle thinking it's gonna be a squeeze bottle, and I don't even know I thought it was gonna be a squeeze bottle. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make it pretty, but me and Joe was talking outside, and we was talking outside, and I was like, I gotta get the food, y'all, like, but it's all good, it still look good. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. This looks pretty darn good. Taco shots. And she was saying it's a good like appetizer at parties and stuff. I'm like, it's a good little snack just to do. I know I could clean up for presentation. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm gonna have Joe come taste test these. I wanted your reaction.
Camera bit.
I'm vlogging, babe. Okay, you don't have to, which one you get, the regular one?
Yeah, get the first bite. No, this one, take this one.
No!
Why?
You're gonna like it enough to eat it by itself. Come on, cause you don't wanna do it with me.
Hot. Good though. Fine.
Good fire.
You gotta come to bed with me. Yeah, you need to turn your picos to this one. Yeah, you hit the spot. Hit the spot.
Okay. 10 out of 10, highly recommend.
Hot.
Do you like it? Joe loves it, but he don't want to tell y'all that he loves the thingies.
You ever heard of Gordon Ramsay? That's Asian Ramsay, baby.
Oh gosh. Anyway, I will link the recipe below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
There's Ramsay on that.
And I'll see you on tomorrow's video.